This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Gemini API key. First, navigate to the Google AI Studio website. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, look for the Get API Key option in the navigation menu. This is your starting point for generating a new key. It's a straightforward process designed to get you up and running quickly with the Gemini API for your projects and applications. Once you are in the Get API Key section, you will see an option to create a new API key. You can either choose an existing Google Cloud project to associate with your key or create an entirely new one. After selecting your project, simply click the Create API Key button. The system will then generate a unique key for you, which is essential for authenticating your requests to the Gemini API. After your API key is generated, make sure to copy it immediately. This key is like a password, so treat it with extreme care. Never embed your API key directly into client-side code or commit it to public repositories like GitHub. Instead, use environment variables or a secure secrets management service to protect it. This prevents unauthorized access and potential misuse of your API quota. Always remember to rotate your API keys regularly, perhaps every 90 days, to enhance security. Also, restrict the permissions of each key to only what is absolutely necessary for its function, following the principle of least privilege. This minimizes potential risks. And hey, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.